Joe here with the RideShare Guy, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bluebox Copilot Smart Driving Assistant. And be sure to stick around to the end because we will be doing a giveaway of 3 units. So first off, this product is not actually available to the public yet. It will be shipping in the fall or winter time frame, but Bluebox actually reached out to us because they launched a Kickstarter for it this week. They wanted us to review a unit, so here we go. It comes in 2 models, the Lite and the AI. They advertise it as a 4-in-1 device, a dash cam, a mile saver, a blue mechanic, and a security cam. And the main functionality is the dash cam. It records 1080p HD video both outside and inside your vehicle. Both cameras also have night vision, and you can access all of your footage via the Bluebox app that you pair with the Copilot. It also tracks your mileage with the mile saver. It also has the blue mechanic feature. Since this plugs into the ODB port of your vehicle, you're able to diagnose your check engine light without having to actually visit a mechanic. And it also has the 24/7 security cam, which this is only available on the higher end Copilot AI. Installation is really simple. Again, all you do is plug into the ODB port of your vehicle and then mount the Copilot to your windshield. And a really cool feature that the Copilot AI will have eventually, it's not available currently, is autonomous highway driving. For certain compatible cars, you will be able to use the Copilot AI for self-driving on the highway. And what's included in the box when you order one is the Copilot itself and the ODB plus the connector cable. Now again, these won't ship until the fall or the winter, but they did just launch their Kickstarter and they have some special pricing prior to the official release. But when they do actually launch, the Copilot Lite will be $199 and the Copilot AI will be $349. Overall, I think this is a pretty cool product. It's a step up from the dash cam that most drivers will have. It includes that mileage tracker, that mechanic. It includes the security cam if you get the higher end model, and also the eventuality of that killer feature of that highway autonomy for the higher end AI model, where it essentially turns your car into a self-driving car on the highway. And I looked a little more into that highway autonomy feature, and what it does is the Copilot will use what is called OpenPilot, which is an open source semi-automated driving system developed by a company called Comma.ai. And I actually learned of Comma.ai a few years ago. What they're essentially positioning themselves as is the Android of self-driving. If you say like Tesla is the Apple of self-driving, then Comma.ai is the Android. So what Comma.ai wants to do is take all these existing vehicles that have all this technology in them, and they want to make it good self-driving technology. And it's a really cool concept because their OpenPilot software crowdsources all of the driving data from all of their users. And as of March 2nd of this year, they've gotten over 40 million miles worth of driving data from their users. And here's a current look at some of the specific models that the OpenPilot software supports. A lot of Honda vehicles, a lot of Hyundai vehicles, a lot of Toyota vehicles, and all supported models were made in 2016 or beyond. Comma.ai does sell their own device for around $1,000 that enables self-driving currently, but the Copilot AI is going to sell for around $350 when it's released, so that's quite a bit cheaper than the device that Comma.ai currently provides. This self-driving concept, I haven't experienced it personally myself, but it is the most intriguing thing about this Bluebox device. Now, as far as my overall review of the device, it worked well. It worked like a dash cam, like it's supposed to. I really like the setup of the app. It's really clean. I like the separate areas for each feature that the device provides. Here's some internal and external footage that I got from using the device. And if you listen carefully, you can hear the fan on it. It's pretty loud, but I did find this option in the settings where you can turn down the fan speed. I'm not sure why it has these speed settings for the fan. Maybe if it's set too low, it will overheat, but it would be nice if it came out of box and it was just set on that low setting so you don't hear that fan so loudly. I do like that it's just a dash cam without an LCD. You really don't need that LCD on dash cams anymore. You get all your footage, you can see all your footage via your phone, so that LCD is not necessary. Although it is a bit bulky without that LCD, but it does need space for all the technology that is included in it. Using the app was pretty straightforward. When I did try to obtain footage from the app, I wasn't able to download it. The only way I was able to get footage is to pull the micro SD card, plug it into my computer, and get it that way. But I'm sure Bluebox will figure this out before they officially launch the product. Also, the mileage tracker is really simple to use. Just simply swipe left for business or swipe right for personal. The blue mechanic is a really cool feature, and for those of you that when your service engine light does come on, instead of going to the mechanic, you'll be able to diagnose the issue right there from the Bluebox app. So yeah, again, this is a really cool concept. It's the evolution of a dash cam. It includes the dash cam, it includes the mileage tracker, it includes the Blue Mechanic, it includes on the higher end that self-driving autonomy on the highway, which is a really cool feature. We will leave a link to the Kickstarter page in the description. There's certain early bird pricing where you can get a discount on these before they actually do ship. Now, as far as the giveaway, again, we will be giving away 3 units. Unfortunately, we won't be able to send those out until the fall or the winter time when they officially are shipping. And in order to qualify for the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to our channel, make sure to like this video, and leave a comment below letting us know what you think of this co-pilot device. Thanks again for watching and drive safe. Thanks.